How to get Asana API key. In this video, I'll show you how to get Asana API key. So to get started, go ahead and go to app.asana.com and then sign in with your account. Once you're signed into your account, you'll get redirected to your home page. Now in here, go ahead and click on your profile icon at the top right of your screen and then click on settings from here, and then on the settings page, head over into the apps tab. And then from here, scroll down until you arrive at the very bottom of this page. And you'll be able to find the View Developer Console. So click on that View Developer Console, given that what you want to get is your API key. You'll need to generate a personal access token, which functions like an API key and allows you to authenticate and interact with Asana's REST API. So in here, make sure to click on this Create New Token button, and then from here, name this token as API, and then click on that I agree to the Asana API terms. After that, you'll be able to generate your personal access token. So this functions as an API key on Asana, which allows you to authenticate and interact with Asana's REST API. Copy and store your token securely, and once generated, copy the token immediately, store it in a secure location. Treat it like a password, never expose it in public code or logs. That is how you can basically get your Asana API key. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.